In this video, I'll be comparing the best email marketing platforms for creators in 2026. Essentially, I'll be going over Flodesk versus Mailchimp versus Kit. If you are running a business, creating content, or selling anything online and you're not sending emails, you're leaving money on the table. Email still outperforms every social media platform in terms of conversions, and it's the only audience that you actually own. The problem is most email platforms are either overpriced, way too complicated, or make your emails look like they were designed in 2012. So I tested the 3 most popular options for creators and businesses in 2026, compared them on what actually matters, and I'm giving you the honest breakdown right now so you can pick the right one and stop wasting time or money. Alright, so starting with Flodesk. Now this is the one that I personally use and recommend, and I'll be explaining exactly why, and you can decide for yourself. Flodesk was built to solve a specific problem. Every other email marketing platform prioritized features and complexity over design and usability. But Flodesk went the opposite direction. It prioritized making your emails look incredible with zero design skills required. The template library is genuinely stunning, over 60 professionally designed templates that look like a graphic designer created them. You just pick one, drop in your content, adjust your brand colors and fonts, and within a few minutes you will have an email that looks better than what most companies send with dedicated marketing teams. The drag and drop editor is clean, intuitive, and you never feel like you are fighting the tool. Now beyond the templates themselves, Flodesk handles everything a creator or small business actually needs. Automation workflows for welcome sequences, nurture campaigns and abandoned cart recovery, segmentation for organizing your list, opt-in forms and landing pages with beautiful designs that match your emails. We also have a Shopify integration for e-commerce and a checkout feature that lets you sell digital products directly through the platform with no extra transaction fees beyond Stripe's standard processing. They also have a new pricing structure that starts at $19 per month on the Lite plan for up to 1,000 subscribers. The Pro plan starts at $28 per month and gives you unlimited automations, branding control, and one checkout. The Everything plan at $54 per month adds unlimited checkouts, sales pages, payment plans, and abandoned cart automations. In addition to that, there is also a free plan available that lets you build forms, landing pages, and link in bio pages before you commit to a paid one, and a free trial of all the paid features with no credit card required. Now when it comes to the limitations, Flowdesk's automation is better suited for straightforward journeys than deeply complex multi-branch workflows. If you need enterprise-grade conditional logic and behavioral triggers, ActiveCampaign or Kit would give you more. The analytics are solid, which are usually enough for most teams, but if you need some deep analytics, then maybe you would get more from other platforms, and support is email only, no live chat or phone. But for the vast majority of creators, freelancers, coaches, or small to mid-sized businesses, you do not need enterprise-grade automation or analytics. You simply need to send beautiful or professional emails, grow your list, and convert subscribers into customers without spending hours learning a complicated platform. And that's exactly what Flodesk does better than anyone else. Next up on the list, we've got Mailchimp. This is one of the biggest platforms that most people try first. It's been around forever and it has the biggest name recognition. It also has a free plan, which is why a lot of people sign up for it. If you would like to get started for free with any one of the platforms that we mentioned, go ahead and navigate to the links below this video for your convenience. On paper, Mailchimp does everything. Email campaigns, automations, landing pages, social media ads, audience segmentation, A/B testing, it's a full marketing suite. The free plan gives you up to 500 contacts and 1,000 email sends per month. That is pretty good for getting started. The Essential plan starts at $13 per month for 500 contacts and goes up from there. Now here is where people run into problems. The pricing scales aggressively with your list size. At 2,500 subscribers, you are paying $45 per month, and at 10,000 subscribers, you are well over $100 per month. And a jump between tiers can be sudden and painful, especially when you're still growing. Interface is also cluttered, there are features everywhere, and for someone who just wants to send a nice looking newsletter, this can be overwhelming. A lot of users describe setting up emails in Mailchimp as hitting a lot of roadblocks and tech issues. The templates exist, but they feel dated compared to the newer platforms, so if you care about how your emails look, which your audience absolutely does, you will spend a lot of time fighting the editor to get things right. And the segmentation system uses groups instead of tags and segments, which makes organizing your list a manual process that can get messy fast. Sometimes the platform randomly suspends your account right after sign up for no reason, even if you verify your email and phone number. However, Mailchimp's strength is its feature depth and its massive integration library. If you need advanced reporting, multi-channel marketing, or deep analytics, Mailchimp can do it. But for most creators and small businesses, you are paying for features that you will never touch while struggling with an interface that makes simple things harder than they should be. Number 3 on the list in no particular order, we've got Kit, or previously known as ConvertKit. Now, Kit was built specifically for content creators, bloggers, YouTubers, podcasters, and course creators, and it's been around since 2013. It has a pretty strong reputation in the creator space. The biggest strength of Kit is automation, as they have a visual automation builder that is genuinely powerful. It allows you to create complex subscriber journeys with triggers, conditions, and branching paths that respond to what your subscribers actually do. If someone clicks a specific link, they get tagged and routed into a different sequence. If someone buys a product, they stop getting the sales emails. This kind of logic is where Kit shines, in my opinion. It also has a creator network feature that helps you promote your newsletter to relevant audiences, and you can sell digital products directly through the platform. The tagging and segmentation system is deep and flexible. Now, the free plan is generous. You get up to 10,000 subscribers for free, although you lose access to automations and sequences. The creator plan starts at $39 per month when paid monthly for up to 1,000 subscribers and scales from there. As for the downsides, we've got the design. Kit emails are plain. They are text heavy with minimal visual options. The templates are functional but very basic. If you are someone who cares a lot about brand aesthetics, if you want your emails to look as polished as your website or your Instagram, Kit will frustrate you. The email builder does not give you the creative freedom to make something visually beautiful without writing custom code. It's also fairly complex to learn. The automation power comes with a steeper learning curve, and if your email strategy is straightforward, you end up paying for capability that you don't even use. So Kit is excellent for creators who need advanced automation and deep segmentation, but if design matters to you and you want simplicity, it could fall short. Alright, so after we have gone over every platform in more detail, let me go ahead and compare them across what you care about. Starting with design quality, Flowdesk would win this by a wide margin. The emails look premium out of the box. Mailchimp's templates feel dated, and Kit's are intentionally plain text focused. So if your audience cares a lot about how your emails look, and they do, Flodesk gives you the best first impression. Next up, we've got ease of use, and once again, Flowdesk is the best here. The interface is the most intuitive out of the three. You can go from signing up to sending your first email in under 30 minutes with zero prior experience. Mailchimp's interface is cluttered and confusing, and Kit has a learning curve because of its automation depth. Speaking of automation, Kit would win here. Its visual automation builder is the most powerful out of the three. And lastly, for the pricing at scale, this would depend on your list size. For under 1,000 subscribers, all three are competitive, but as your list grows, Mailchimp's pricing climbs up the fastest. At 10,000 subscribers, Mailchimp costs over $100 per month, whereas Kit and Flowdesk stay more reasonable, although the exact pricing will depend on the plan and the list size. So here is my honest recommendation based on who you are. If you are a creator, freelancer, coach, or small business owner who wants to send beautiful emails that represent your brand, grow your list without technical headaches, and keep your costs predictable as you scale, you must go with Flowdesk. It does everything that the audience needs with the best design quality and the simplest experience of any platform that I have tested. That's exactly why I use it and why I recommend it. But if you are a creator who needs complex automation with deep tagging, segmentation, and conditional workflows, and you don't care much about your email design, then you can continue with Kit as it is a strong choice. So that will be all on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to get started for free with any one of the platforms that I have covered in this video, make sure to sign up using the links that you will find in the description or the pinned comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one.